Assalamu alaikum. I'm Asma and today I'm going to tell you a very beautiful story, The Blue Umbrella, which is written by Ruskin Bond. The Blue Umbrella is about a young girl, Binya, and her family. Binya lives with her family in a small village. She is a simple girl with realistic dreams. The story has multiple emotions, including materialistic love, jealousy, and kindness. Binya is a girl who belongs to a poor family. She doesn't have anything precious except one thing, a bear claw necklace. It's precious because it's a good luck charm. At least, this is what her mother thinks. One day, while doing chores, Binya saw a beautiful blue umbrella. She fell in love with the umbrella and it belonged to an English woman. She started staring at the umbrella. The lady saw her. The lady looked at her and her bear claw necklace. She wanted to have that bear claw necklace as same as Binya wanted her blue umbrella. When the lady asked, Binya offered her bear claw necklace in exchange for the blue umbrella. When Binya got the umbrella, she was very happy. All the people in the village admired her beautiful umbrella and were jealous of her. They always thought about how did Binya manage to get such an expensive umbrella. Binya did not care about others. She kept that umbrella and took it wherever she went. She was in love with that beautiful thing. There was a shopkeeper named Bharosa. Binya and her brother used to buy some toffees from him. He saw Binya's umbrella and wanted to own it. He offered Binya free toffees in exchange of the umbrella. But Binya's love for the umbrella was so strong that she refused to take the toffees. Ram Bharosa get angry and one day he asked his servants, who was a little boy, to get the umbrella. The boy planned to steal that umbrella, and when he failed, he told Binya's brother that Ram Bharosa gave him the task of stealing the umbrella. Everyone in the village came to know about what Ram Bharosa did to the little girl, Binya. The villagers felt awful for the girl and started buying things from another shop instead of Ram Bharosa's. After some days, Binya's blue umbrella faded. It had the marks of stitches, but still, it was the most beautiful umbrella in the whole village. One day, Ram Bharosa offered Binya a toffee again. This time it was not for greed or not to get something in exchange. He was really feeling bad for what he had done and wanted to become a better person. The same day Binya realized that she did not need an umbrella to be happy or to look pretty. She had her family, villagers, and the beautiful nature to make her happy. She lost her love for the umbrella and gave it to Ram Bharosa. Ram Bharosa has a smile on his face. He did become a less greedy person. People started forgetting about what happened earlier when Binya forgave Ram Bharosa. They started to buy things from him again. His shop started getting crowded again, but this time there was something new. Ram Bharosa behaved unselfishly with his customer and always had a smile on his face. So, did you like the story? How was it? I have 3 questions for you. Answer them below in the comment section. So, question number 1. Which is your favorite character from the story? Question number 2. Which part of the story do you like the most? Question number 3. What's the moral of that story? So, if you like the story, just give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Allah Hafiz.